Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department is Humanity and Science. Our course Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Unit 1 chapter number 4 partial fraction. We have to revise again the format because it is very important. Px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b. Non-repeated factors are there. Then we have to px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b. A not equal to b. Capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b. Px plus q upon x minus a bracket square. Capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus a whole bracket square. Px square plus qx plus r is given. Then x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b plus capital C upon x minus c. Now px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a bracket square into x minus b, capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus a bracket square plus capital C upon x minus b. Next, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x square plus bx plus c. That means here any quadratic equation is there. Then we have to write capital A upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Observe that x square plus bx plus c cannot be factorized further. So, another format in today's lecture we have to must discuss what we have to observe in this slide. 15x square minus x plus 2 upon x minus 5, 3x square plus 4x minus 2. We have to check this quadratic equation have factor or not. 3 2s are 6. So 3 minus, only one option is 3 into 2. But it is not possible because 3 minus 2 gives 1 value and 3 plus 2 gives 5 value. So these quadratic equation have no factor. So we have to write capital A upon x minus 5 plus bx plus c upon 3x square plus 4x minus 2. That means capital A upon non-repeated factor plus bx plus c upon 3x square plus 4x minus 2 quadratic equation. That is irreducible quadratic equation. Now we have to find the values of capital A, capital B and capital C. So we have to take the cross multiplication there. So it is cross multiply we have to take. So capital A into 3x square plus 4x minus 2, x minus 5 into bx plus c. So I simplify. Before simplification, 15x square minus x plus 2 upon x minus 5, 3x square plus 4x minus 2 remain here same. Denominator is common, it will be cancelled, so numerator are equal. Therefore, 15x square minus x plus 2 is equal to capital A is multiplied with this bracket, so it is 3a x square plus 4 into ax minus 2a. Now we have to multiply bx plus c into x minus 5, bx into x, bx square, bx into minus 5 is minus 5bx. Now c into x, cx and c into minus 5, minus 5. We have to take the multiplication of two brackets a plus b into c minus d. Now simplification, it is possible? Yes, right. 15x square minus x plus 2 remain as the same. 3x square plus 4ax minus 2a bx square. Now we have to simplify this bracket. Bx square minus 5bx plus cx minus 5c. We taking the coefficient of x square equating. So in x square equating, what is the possible? Here 15 is there. Here we have to take 3x, 3a and what is bx square. That's why 3a plus b we have to take x square common. Now we have to take the constant multiply, that is coefficient of the x. So which are the x term? 4 into ax minus 5bx and which is cx. These are the coefficient of x term. We have to equate 4a minus 5b plus c bracket complete into x. Now remaining terms are constant. Constant are which? Minus 2a then minus 5c. Now equating part we have to state 15 and 3a plus b are equal because x square get cancelled. So 3a plus b is equal to 15. Next step 4a minus 5b plus c. It is coefficient of this is x and here is minus 1. That's why x get cancelled. 4a minus 5b plus c is equal to minus 1. Now we have to take minus 2a minus 5c equal to 2. So using calculator we have to solve this equation are unknown. So we directly use the calculator or use the simultaneous method of the for solving this. So we have to equating. So we have to derive the value of a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, c equal to minus 2. So using this we have to get the final answer in a form of capital A is 4 upon x minus 5 plus 3x minus 2 upon 3x square plus 4x minus 2. Use the calculator and check the values of these equation are solved or not. Our main thing is that we have to most focus about the improper rational function can be written as the sum of polynomial and a proper rational function. Rx is equal to px upon qx, px plus rx upon qx, where degree of px greater than degree of qx and degree of rx less than the degree of qx. Use the long division of qx in px to accomplish this. So we have to solve the improper rational fraction example once again in today's lecture in different pattern. Resolve into partial fraction, that is the resolve into partial fraction x cube plus 1 upon x square plus 2x. This is an improper fraction. First we shall convert into proper fraction. Why? Because degree of numerator x cube is greater than the degree of x square, that is denominator. That's why it is improper fraction. So we have to use q plus r upon d method. So we have to divide x cube plus 1 by x square plus 2x. So x square into x is x cube. So that's why x square into x is x cube. Plus 2x into x is minus plus 2x square. Change the sign, x cube get cancelled, minus 2x square plus 1 is remaining. Now 2x and x square is given, so only we have to multiply which number? Minus 2. Is it right? Minus 2 into 2x is minus 2x square. Next, into minus 2 into 2x square is minus 2x square. 2x into minus 2 is minus no. It is how much it is possible? Plus 1 is there. So it is plus 2x minus 2 is plus 4x. Minus 2x we have to change the sign of division rule. This will get cancelled. It is the minus. So what is the minus 4x plus 1 is the answer. Here what is the wrong thing is given in this PPT? That is we will change the sign of this term. So obviously we have to change the sign of this term. So our final answer may be in the form of 4x plus 1. So 4x minus 4x plus 1. 4x minus 1 we have to take the which term? Minus 4x plus 1 is also possible. So we have to take x cube plus 1 upon x square plus 2x is equal to q plus r upon d, x minus 2 plus 4x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x. Now 4x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x. We have to take x common in denominator, capital A upon x plus capital B upon x plus 2. We have to solve this term in the form of non-repeated factor method, cross multiplication. 4x plus 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x into x plus 2. So 4x plus 1 we have to put the value 4x plus 1 is equal to capital A x plus 2 plus capital B into x. Put x equal to 0. We derive the 0 into B is 0. That's why 0 plus 2 is equal to capital A. So A into 2. So I clear about that. 1 is equal to A into 2. A is equal to 1 upon 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 we have to put, because x plus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So minus 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 1, and next is 0 because minus 2 plus 2 0, but minus 2 into b minus 2b. So minus 8 plus 1 gives value minus 7, minus 2 into b gives value minus 2b. Minus 2 goes this side, minus minus get cancelled, 7 upon 2 is the final answer. So we have to put the value of A and B. Be clear, in this example, one printing mistake is in a textbook. Here minus 4x is possible. So what is the change is behind it? We have to check. Suppose minus 4 is there. So it is obviously 0. So A value is right. But here, be clear that x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 4 minus plus 8. So final answer is 9 upon 2. So solve the same example using minus 4x plus 1. It is here for homework. Now I clear about 4x plus 1. So we have to put the values of these expression in equation 1. We have to derive x cube plus 1 upon x square plus 2x equal to x minus 2 plus 1 upon in bracket 1 upon x plus 7 upon x plus 2. This is the required partial fraction. Now again resolve into partial fraction. So for resolving the partial fraction we have to take the x cube plus x upon x square minus 9. It is the given part. So x cube plus x upon x square minus 9, this is improper fraction. Divide x cube plus x by x square minus 9 to convert it into proper fraction. So degree of the numerator x term is greater than degree of the denominator x term, that is 3 is greater than 2. That's why we have to use the q plus r upon d method. So we have to find the q plus, what is the q? Obviously we have to find that. So divide x cube plus x upon x square minus 9. So x cube plus x remain, x square into x gives x cube. So minus is there, but minus 9 into x gives minus 9x. We have to change the division rule sign. X cube get cancelled, minus become plus. 9x plus x gives 10x. But 10x and here is x square. So again division is not possible. So it is remainder is 10x, quotient is x, divisor is x square minus 9. So I write q is x, r is 10x and divisor is x square minus 9. So we have to solve now 10x upon x square 9. Better we have to take the 10 common. So x upon x square minus 9. So x upon x minus 3 and x plus 3. Because a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Now we have to take the cross multiplication. Common term get cancelled. So x is equal to capital A in bracket x plus 3 plus capital B in bracket x minus 3. So we have to put the first element is what? Yes, right. Put x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to, so x equal to 3. So 3 is equal to what? X is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to a. 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 3 is equal to 6a. So 6 goes this side. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now we have to put x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 0. That's why b minus 3 minus 3. So minus 6 b minus 3. We have to derive minus 6 divided by minus 3. It is 1 upon 2. So value of a is 1 upon 2. Value of b is 1 upon 2. So we have to put in this expression 1 upon 2, 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 3. So now we have to put, substituting the 3 in 1, we have to get the required partial fraction. X cube plus x upon x square minus 9 is x plus 10. We have to take the 10 common, na? Yes, right. 1 upon 2, 1 upon x minus 3, 1 upon x plus 3. Simplify, we derive